Representing my friend Natalia. She's going to be joining us on the violin. The song's called Pirates and Pirates. Jimmy was a force of nature, and I'm so blessed to have been in his trajectory. Just unbelievable, limitless optimism, and the life that he led and the life that he created many lives for many people. So this one's for you, JB. We love you, man. Another dog on the ball, another pole with a pin, another beach ball with a dog, another stranger sailing in, and the water's just as blue. Though you haven't missed a thing, but we're all here missing you. So all the pirates and pirates sing. Somebody owes my friend, anchor where that ocean is. We'll pick up where you left off, strumming on a sailor song. We'll hold down this salty rock, where it's always 5 o'clock. When the sun goes down, we raise our drinks. All the pirates and the pirates sing. Raise a bridge, the drifters coming through. There's a golden stretch of beach that's waiting there on you, and the water's just as blue. We wanna hear about everything, but we're all here missing you. So all the pirates and the pirates sing. Somebody owes my friend, anchor where that ocean is. We pick up where you left off, strumming on a sailor song. We hold down this salty rock, where it's always 5 o'clock. When the sun goes down, we raise our drinks. All the pirates and the pirates sing. Soon we left the song, past the torch to carry on. As long as people sing along, you live on and on and on. Somebody owes my friend, anchor where that ocean is. We pick up where you left off, strumming on a sailor song. We hold down this salty rock, where it's always 5 o'clock. When the sun goes down, we raise our drinks. All the pirates and the pirates